Hey, it's January 20th, 2019. We're up to about 19 degrees. I think we got about, 7 or 8 inches of snow. We had a little bit of mix in between, but it turned back to snow, which is good. The teepee's holding up good. As you can see, the snow slid down it. I have to clear that before I make a fire. Got a pretty good pile in front of the door. Let's go in and see my mess. I'm still in the process of working on the rocket stove. I have to do some work on this old barrel. You can see where the snow comes in from the hole. So that will be shoveled out and melted. And that's the tarp that keeps the wind from blowing up your back, because you have to have air in the bottom of the tarp. It can't be close to the ground, which also means I have to go and shovel that snow away to allow the air in. Otherwise you can't stand the smoke in here. Okay, never mind the mess. I'm in the process of doing stuff. And that's it for today.